guys, what is up and welcome to my video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this cute, pretty, sexy Mrs. Claus makeup tutorial. I know these gloves look gross. They have been through a lot in the past couple months, so we're not going to judge them. If you want to buy me some for Christmas, buy me some new nail gloves. Like, I just need some. Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells, snowing and blowing and bushels of fun. Ow! I thought I'd make a slap sound, but I'm wearing stuff. But if you guys want to follow my cute makeup look, just keep on watching. And yes, this is a recreation of last year's, but we're not gonna talk about it, okay? So I'm gonna start off this tutorial with my brows and my face already done. Also, yeah, I have a band-aid on my finger. I like cut it doing something. I don't know what I did, but like we're just gonna have this awkward band-aid here, so just ignore her, leave her, let her live. Let her live her life. For my face, I used the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral, and then the Kat Von D Lock It Foundation in shade Medium 52 Neutral, and just blended that out. For my brows, I just went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. You know, gotta get them dark brows. So I just got the James Charles and Morphe palette, and honestly, it's beautiful. Like, I just wanted an excuse to use it, so I was like, let's just do my makeup. Like, look at this. Like, I'm just gonna show you what this palette is. Like, so I'm gonna go into the shade Canvas, which is right here, and I'm gonna put this underneath my brow bone so I can just make it a little bit more defined. Okay, let's go, ladies. Okay, that literally is the color of my skin tone, so it's really not doing anything. So you know what we're gonna do now? We're gonna just start our crease. So I'm gonna go into the shade called Rusted, which is right here, and I'm gonna take this onto my crease. I'm also gonna be using a Morphe R35 brush to do so. So let's just swing with it. Swing with it? Am I like dumb? Like, is that even a word? Like, I don't know. Wow, that color, I'm honestly surprised and shook. That's kind of like the same thing. Honestly, I like this so far. Like, I'm really digging this. Like, girl, like, I don't know if you can see this, but like, she kind of cute. Oh, that's cute. I'm mad. That's actually cute. Okay.
Country boy, I love you.
But yeah, I'm just gonna take the shade You're Kidding and put this in my crease to make it a little bit more darker. I'm also using the same brush because I'm trash and don't use different brushes. So if you have multiple brushes, I suggest you use them. But I don't got multiple brushes, so we're just gonna do what we're gonna do.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse.
Mariah Carey who? Like, I look like a mess, but I'm in love with this palette still. So I'm gonna go into another shade from the palette. I'm gonna go into the shade 518, and I'm gonna put this into my crease.
Just because I feel like it should be a little bit more warmer. Like, I mean, there's a nice red, but I feel like if it's just red, it's gonna look kind of weird, so I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit more with this nice orange color.
Once again, I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm sorry that I'm cheap and I don't have any more brushes. I'm sorry. Use your own brushes. Hashtag use code James for 10% off. Oh, this color is so pigmented. Time to do something that I usually mess up on and ruin my whole makeup look, but you know, we have no choice because I like the way it looks. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be going in with my foundation, and I'm gonna be using an angled brush, the Anastasia angled brush, just if you wanna know. And I'm basically just going to cut my lid. Like, I'm gonna make a fake lid. Because I don't know if you've noticed, my eyeshadow's kind of high. But you know, that's just me. So let's just do this. Let's just do this. Hopefully I don't mess up this time. I'm gonna need some holiday cheer to help me do this.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! SpongeBob, careful! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
Now that you see I have my lid cut, I'm going to put on eyeshadow in order to press this down and set down what I just did, because the last thing I want is to open up my eyes and have literally makeup everywhere and just ruin this whole look. So I'm going to use an eyeshadow to set it, and I'm preferably going to use one I don't mind using a lot of. For me personally, I like to use the Shade to Light palette for the eye, and I like to go into this nice shade right here and just use that to cut my crease. Now that I have everything set, I'm going to now start on the rest of my face and then come back to my eyes. So now I'm going to be contouring my face, and to do so, I'm going to go into the Shade to Light contour palette for your face. I'm going to be going into this nice cool tone brown shade right here and use this to contour my whole face. And trust me, I'm gonna contour a lot. Oh, hi, it's just me. God, how's it going? Just kidding, it's me. I'm actually the devil. I'm me trying to be funny, but literally not being funny at all. Like, I just need to stop talking and just continue with the tutorial. Also, this is me attempting to do my nose. I'm just putting dark powder on the side and then putting light powder on my cheeks and, like, my forward-facing areas. I don't know, like, I don't do these voiceover things. Like, I just don't do them. You know what's funny is the fact that I listen to aggressive rap music while I do my makeup. Like, let's just take a listen. I'm gonna now take that light powder across the sides of my nose and use this to make the edges really sharp, so it kind of gives me like almost like a snatched look, because we want to look snatched. Now I'm gonna be going in with the Too Faced Sweetie Pie bronzer. Honestly, I love this. Looks so good. Like, get ready. You're not ready. Like, look at that. Like, it almost adds kind of like a glowing effect. Like, a bitch is glowing. Like, oh yes, go off. Now I'm gonna be going in this Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Risque. It's a really nice soft pink blush, and it kind of makes you look like you're blushing. Like, look how natural I look. Like, I look so natural. Like, oh my god. Now I'm going to be going in the Natio pen eyeliner, and honestly, pray for me because I don't know how to do my eyeliner, and it's going to be an actual mess. So I'm going to put music over it. Now I'm going to be going back into these colors in the palette. I forgot the names of them, but literally I used them earlier in the video, so like just ignore that. And I'm just going to take it on a brush and put it underneath my eyes like I'm doing right now. Like, oh, it looks so good. It opens up your eyes and makes it a little bit more bigger. Now I'm going to be taking a NYX lip pencil in the shade Whipped Caviar, and I'm going to be putting this on my lips and just outlining my lips, and I'm going to outline or like overline a little bit on the bottom, but not on the top, because I don't do that on the top because my lips are already kind of big. Actually, no, they're really not. I'm sorry. I lied to you. My truth. Now I'm going to be taking a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Checkmate and just be putting that on my lips. And honestly, I love this shade. It's like a warm, like orangey red. And I love that. It's so cute and I love it for the holidays. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Nude Beach and putting that in the middle of my lips and then making like an ombre, but like smacking my lips together. And then after this, I'm going to go put on some lashes and put on like mascara. And then I'm going to come back and do like my little outro thing. As you can see, this is the final look. I have some lashes. I have the rest of my makeup on. Sorry about that little edit where like I had to like talk over the thing. I just like, someone came home and I just like couldn't talk. So I was just like, I'm just going to do it anyways. But just like have to go back and like talk over it. But you know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my cute Mrs. Claus makeup look. Why does my hat look kind of ugly? Like, I mean, I feel like I look good here. Honestly, you know what I remind me of? I remind me of Ariana Grande's Thank You Next music video, but except like the ugly version, but done by drag queens. So like ugly drag queens. Like, I think I look good, but that's just like a personal preference. Like, I don't know if everyone else thinks I look good, but we'll find that out. I don't know. But thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you did not like it, then I don't know. I guess you just hate Christmas. Don't forget to go down to the links below. You can see links to my other videos. There's always something fun down there, so just go check it out. And last but not least, do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next video. Bye, bays. I know these gloves are gross. Buy me some new ones for Christmas. Bye.